In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bookmap CVD Indicator. We'll walk through getting the cumulative volume delta onto your chart, and just as importantly, how to read it with confidence alongside the heat map and price. Start by opening the Studies or Indicators panel in your platform. This is the control center for adding tools to your chart. If you're new to the layout, look for a button or menu item labeled Studies or Indicators on the main toolbar. Opening this panel gives you a searchable list of everything you can overlay on your Bookmap workspace. It helps to have your main chart visible so you can immediately see changes as you apply them. Next, find and add Cumulative Volume Delta, often shown as CVD. Use the search bar in the panel or scroll through the list until you see Cumulative Volume Delta, CVD. Select it, then add or apply it to your chart. That's it for setup. You don't need to configure anything extra to get started. The default settings are designed to show you the core signal right away. Once added, you'll see the CVD appear in a subchart just below your price and heat map view. Think of it as a running total of aggressive buying versus aggressive selling. Every time buyers lift the offer, the CVD adds to the total. Every time sellers hit the bid, it subtracts. As this accumulates, you get a smooth line that tells a story about pressure beneath the surface of price. Here's how to read it. A steadily rising CVD suggests buyers are in control, supporting up moves you see in the heat map and price. A falling CVD means sellers are pressing, which often aligns with price slipping through liquidity. If price is grinding higher, but CVD is flat or falling, that divergence can hint at a weakening move, driven more by passive liquidity than real initiative buying. Conversely, if price dips but CVD climbs, it can signal stealthy accumulation. Use the subchart strategically. Zoom in to specific moves and watch how CVD behaves at key levels highlighted on the heat map. Large liquidity getting absorbed with a strong CVD push often precedes continuation. A lack of follow-through in CVD can warn of stalls or reversals. Hovering over the line to read exact values can help you quantify shifts during fast tape. To recap, you opened the Studies or Indicators panel, found and added Cumulative Volume Delta, and confirmed it displays in a subchart under your price and heat map. With that in place, you're ready to let CVD guide your read on buyer and seller aggression, validate moves, and spot potential divergences with greater clarity.